Sa likod ng bawat eleganteng furniture na nakikita natin sa mga international design shows, may mga kamay na Pilipino. Proudly Kapampangan, proudly Filipino. Gentil Home, a Pampanga-based luxury furniture brand, proudly unveils Big Kiss, a groundbreaking collection na ipapakita sa prestiyosong Maisonette Objet sa Paris ngayong 2025.
This collaboration taught me is about embracing differences and imperfections, because imperfections this is what makes us unique, not just for furniture pieces. In the world that everything is an instant, everything is machines, diba? There's AI, there's like integrated machine fabricated pieces. What sets handcrafted pieces apart would be their differences, their imperfections actually, the ruins, the history, the wear and tear, hand experiences of the pieces, that this is what makes them beautiful.
Big Kiss, mula sa salitang Filipino na ibig sabihin ay ties o bonds, is all about connection. Isang collaborative masterpiece ng 5 Southeast Asian designers mula Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia at Philippines, kasama ang mga Kapampangan master craftsmen ng Gentil Home. Dito, ang wood, fiber, metal at glass ay nagiging kwento ng kultura, identity at shared traditions, at sa puso ng lahat ng ito, Filipino craftsmanship. Big Kiss is all about creating spaces na puno ng warmth at togetherness, parang Filipino home. Pero higit pa doon, gustong maipakita sa mundo ang richness ng Southeast Asian design.
Gentil Home believes that everything that is bespoke, or everything that is intentionally made, makes or gives another meaning to a piece.
Beyond furniture, Big Kiss is a statement. Isang imbitasyon para marinig at makita ang Southeast Asian craftsmanship, crafted in Pampanga, celebrated in Paris. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.